Are you tired of juggling multiple kitchen tools to whip up your favorite recipes? Struggling with bulky appliances that hog counter space and make cleanup a nightmare? This Koios 5-in-1 Hand Immersion Blender is here to revolutionize your cooking game. This powerful, versatile, and sleekly designed handheld blender tackles everything from smoothies to soups with ease, making it a must-have for every home chef. In this in-depth review, we'll explore why the Koios 5-in-1 is the ultimate kitchen companion, diving into its standout features, real-world performance, and why it's a game-changer for busy cooks. Ready to transform your culinary experience? Let's blend in, solving common kitchen challenges. The Koios 5-in-1 Hand Immersion Blender addresses the frustrations of modern cooking head-on. No more transferring hot soup to a bulky countertop blender, risking spills and burns. Forget wrestling with underpowered tools that leave your smoothies chunky or your sauces lumpy. This immersion blender lets you blend directly in the pot, saving time and effort. Its compact design eliminates the need for multiple gadgets, freeing up valuable kitchen space. Whether you're a busy parent prepping baby food or a foodie crafting gourmet sauces, this blender simplifies your workflow while delivering professional-grade results. Why the Koios 5-in-1 stands out. The Koios 5-in-1 isn't just another hand blender. It's a powerhouse packed with thoughtful features that make it a standout in the crowded kitchen appliance market. Powered by a 1000W copper motor, it's built for speed, durability, and quiet operation, offering 3 times the lifespan of standard motors. With 12 adjustable speeds and a turbo boost, you have precise control to tackle everything from delicate whipped cream to tough nuts. The stainless steel blades slice through ingredients effortlessly, while the anti-splash design keeps your kitchen spotless. Plus, its non-BPA materials ensure safe, worry-free food prep. Key features that shine. 5-in-1 versatility. Comes with a hand blender, 600 milliliters mixing beaker, 500 milliliters food processor, whisk, and milk frother, making it perfect for blending, chopping, whisking, and frothing. Powerful 1000W copper motor. Delivers fast, efficient blending with low noise and a lifespan 3 times longer than standard motors. 12-speed control plus turbo boost. Offers precise speed adjustments for everything from gentle mixing to high-speed chopping. Sharp stainless steel blades. Cuts through tough ingredients like meat and nuts with ease, ensuring smooth results every time. Ergonomic, easy-to-clean design. Detachable parts are dishwasher-safe, and the ergonomic handle ensures comfortable one-handed operation. Anti-splash technology. Keeps your countertops clean by preventing splatter during blending. Lifetime support, backed by 24-month exchange or money-back guarantee and 24/7 customer service. Benefits that make a difference. Time-saving efficiency. Blend, chop, and whisk in seconds, streamlining meal prep for busy lifestyles. Space-saving design. Compact and easy to store, perfect for small kitchens or minimalist cooks. Professional-grade results. Achieve silky smoothies, creamy soups, and perfectly frothed milk with ease. Who is the Koios 5-in-1 perfect for? This immersion blender is a dream for anyone who loves cooking but hates the hassle of complicated tools. It's ideal for busy parents. Puree nutritious baby food in seconds with safe, BPA-free materials. Home chefs. Create restaurant-quality soups, sauces, and smoothies without bulky equipment. Health enthusiasts. Blend fresh, nutrient-packed smoothies and protein shakes effortlessly. Small kitchen owners. Its compact design and versatile attachments save space without sacrificing functionality. Coffee lovers. The milk frother crafts barista-style cappuccinos and lattes at home. Whether you're a novice cook or a seasoned pro, the Koios 5-in-1 adapts to your needs, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. Real-world performance. Putting the Koios to the test. To see how the Koios 5-in-1 performs, I tested it across a variety of tasks. First up, a classic strawberry banana smoothie. With the 600 milliliters mixing beaker and turbo boost, it blended frozen fruit and spinach into a silky smooth drink in under 30 seconds. No lumps in sight. Next, I tackled a creamy tomato soup directly in the pot. The stainless steel blades and variable speeds made quick work of blending, and the anti-splash design kept my counters clean. The whisk attachment whipped up perfect meringue for a lemon tart, while the food processor chopped nuts for a pesto with precision. Finally, the milk frother delivered a velvety cappuccino foam that rivaled my local coffee shop. What impressed me most was the ergonomic handle, which felt comfortable even during extended use. Switching attachments was a breeze with the one-click mechanism, and cleanup was as simple as popping the detachable parts into the dishwasher. The only caveat? Don't immerse the motor in water, a small trade-off for such a versatile tool. The verdict: a must-have kitchen tool. The Koios 5-in-1 Hand Immersion Blender is a game-changer for anyone who wants to simplify meal prep without sacrificing quality. Its powerful motor, versatile attachments, and user-friendly design make it a standout choice for blending, chopping, whisking, and frothing. Whether you're whipping up a quick smoothie, pureeing baby food, or crafting a gourmet sauce, this blender delivers consistent, professional results. Backed by a 24-month warranty and lifetime support, it's a risk-free investment that will elevate your cooking for years to come. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.